About 100 students graduated from Sifoe Senior Secondary School after sitting for the 2019 West Africa Senior Secondary School Examination Certificate in various academic fields of study. The ceremony was marked by the launching of the school's Ex-Students Association. The Sifoe Senior Secondary School Alumni Association aims to improve students' performance and advance academic through volunteerism. Isitu Sila, the president of the Ex-Students Association, said the organization has been driving a massive scheme to bring together ex-students of the school to teach, mentor, and counsel current students on academic studies and extracurricular activities.
This has been a success largely due to the numerous voluntary services rendered by members of the association, with the full cooperation and support of the school administration. From its establishment to date, the association has successfully brought 141 ex-students of the school together under one roof.
Highlighting the importance of membership in the school alumni, former head boy encouraged the graduating batch to join the association. A soulful poem titled "Welcome to the World" by young Gambian poet Ajindumbe Job opened the graduation ceremony with the school principal Saja Job urging graduates to effectively prepare for their future endeavors.
You need to appraise yourself for self-employment, 1. 2, get yourself ready to go for higher education. Competition is high, the better ones are selected amongst the lot. I pray that you are one of the selected.
Parents play quite a central role in the overall success of students. Acknowledging their contribution to student development, Mr. Job thanked the Parents Teachers Association for supporting and cooperating with the school management. The guest speaker at the ceremony, Lamin K. Marong, delivered a speech theme on the value of discipline in education and encouraged the graduates to work hard towards achieving success by choosing a career that matches their passion and ability.
Remember that discipline is a virtue, and it means doing the right things you need to do to progress to the next level. Discipline is about doing the right thing when nobody is watching you. Discipline is about valuing and respecting the views of others. Remember that no matter how superior you may be, you still need help and support from others.
Rachel Ogu is the head girl of the graduating batch. Speaking to GRTS, Ogu expressed delight and appreciation for the school and outlined their plan to further their education in tertiary institutions.
The advice I have for the students today is, to hold this school as their school, and also, to increase the discipline level of this school to the highest magnitude, and also cooperate with the administration, to ensure that a lot of development is, being done in this school here.
Here, certificates and prizes are awarded to outstanding students in various subjects, fusing the past and new. A committed academic drive is extensively transforming the outlook of the Sifoe Senior Secondary School. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Winifred Nicole.